Okay guys, believe it or not, you probably obviously believe it, I am moving my room again. This time I'm actually moving. This is like my third room makeover. Okay, here's my plan. I already moved the bed, you know, it kind of used to be there. I'll link my last room makeover and stuff in the description. I have like a playlist of room videos. Oh, I don't know if I introduced myself, but hi, my name is Kia and welcome to my channel. Okay, I am taking this mirror off the wall, getting a smaller, okay, I'm taking the mirror off the wall to pretend there's no mirror, and I'm moving these cube organizers into the closet, moving the bed to this wall, and then all that's gonna be left is this thing, which I'm probably gonna use as a side table for now. I kind of want a regular, I'm gonna get a regular side table though, like a small nightstand. I'm gonna look for one on Facebook Marketplace, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but you know. And then I'm obviously gonna move this to the wall and then switch the spots of these. And then with the dresser here, I found there's a small mirror I'm gonna get, because this mirror is just too big. I'm gonna downsize my mirror and get a small, okay, I'm sorry about the background noise. Oh, this is my graduation thingy, by the way, because I'm graduating. But anyways, I'm gonna switch the spots of these, and then this is gonna be here, and then I'm gonna put a mirror over it, so it's like a little, not really a vanity, it's not a vanity, but it's gonna be a dresser with the mirror over it, but it's gonna be to the side. And then on the other side of it, I'm just gonna put like some decors, and then my desk is gonna be in this corner. I don't know if I want it against this wall or against the window. I have yet to decide on that, but other than that, this is going to be my new room layout, if you can kind of envision it. So I'm really excited. I've been wanting to move my room around just for a while, just to kind of feel like I have a fresh start. So yeah. Okay, so I actually just got my graduation hair done. Look at the lace. The girl did so good. It's like undetectable. It looks so good. And I got like obviously edges, and it's supposed to be curls, and there's like clips in it holding it up. I haven't unveiled it yet, but I was making a, oh sorry, some of the hair fell out. I was making a like graduation prep video, but I didn't finish it. Anyways, so I'm basically probably gonna time lapse everything because it's just easier. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna obviously have to move around the wall decor too, but first I'm gonna work on moving the 4x3 here into the closet. And then I have like another shelving thingy in the closet too, so it's gonna be like a lot of moving around, but yes. So here I am working on trying to take this mirror off the wall, and this took by far the most work. There is still glass on my floor a little bit. I stepped on a piece of glass today. But like it was hard to take down because not only was it held up by clips, it was like glued to the wall. So like I basically like pried around the edges with like a hammer and like some random tools, and then I had to start just ripping it off the wall. And there you go, I got it. As simple as you see it, this literally took me like an hour and a half, and then I packed up all the glass and then swept up the floor, and then yeah, that was that. And I finally got to move the bed. Okay, I'm sitting now because I'm kind of tired. That time lapse, as you saw it literally, that was like 2 hours within those like that minute. But yeah, basically I made a lot of changes. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I'm still working on putting this into the closet. I'm gonna switch it around so it's 4 high and 3 this way, so it's taking up less space this way, because I still have this entire shelving thingy with shoes. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do, because I literally don't know where I'm gonna put that. I used to have it in the corner of the closet, like at the back, and I'm gonna have to re-put it there and basically like fix up the closet, because like as you can see, it's like a mess. But other than that, I completely took down the mirror, as you could see in the time lapse. It took a lot of work, but I'm really happy that I can finally put my bed here. And then I'm gonna get a side table. I already saved a couple of them on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not gonna buy a real side table. I'm gonna literally use Facebook. Dude, no one told me that Facebook Marketplace was literally the hack. You can get like so much furniture for so cheap. So yeah, I saw a couple options on there. I'm gonna do that. The only thing is I forgot that this outlet is broken, so I'm gonna have to find an outlet cover. The reason why it doesn't have a cover is because like it's weird and like glitched weirdly, so it can't like screw on. But I'm literally just gonna find an outlet cover and just glue it on because I don't want this big ugly hole in my wall. Other than that, yeah, I clean up the floor underneath the bed, and then I'm gonna mop the rest of the room too, but I'll get to it. I'm working slowly because it's like a lot of work. But so yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna have to take down my entire LED thing going around my room and reposition it because I need to move this canopy to be over the bed again, and then I need also to paint this wall. I'm gonna need to move some of my vines. I know this section is a different color, I didn't have enough. I'm gonna have to move some of my vines to cover here now and like kind of not here. And then I have to decide what poster combo I want. I'm gonna take this down. I don't know where that's even gonna go, to be honest with you, but it's getting took down. And then I don't know if I want these two posters like behind the wall like how it was before, or I have this other poster combo. It's another two here as well, so it's like two middle, two to go here. I don't know, but I'll probably just do these because they the colors match a little bit better. And then yeah, other than that, I'm kind of gonna have to figure out as well where am I gonna put this, because my closet just kind of like doesn't have any more space. But I still really like this cube organizer. I think it's really cute. Also, battle scar, I got cut by the glass, but I'm still in good spirits. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out where am I gonna put this additional cube organizer, because my closet is clearly full, unless like I don't think I can even fit that in there. And then I don't know, and I already have this 1x3. I might have to put the 2x3 here, then I can turn the 1x3 and stack it on top. But I don't know if like when I turn it, you know, I'll figure it out. But this is like my progress right now. I should like get up and like show you from a different angle. Sorry, I was just so tired. Oh, I had a package right here, but yeah. And then the desk, and this is here. I wanted to switch the places of these two and then I saw a small mirror at Walmart. I'm gonna go back and buy and put it to the side right here, and then I can put something on display at the end of this when I move it, so it's like a little mirror, because I like having a mirror in my room to like see outfits or like see how I look, blah blah blah. I don't want to have like no mirror, so that's the plan for the mirror since I just broke the other one off the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna move you guys back to time lapse, and then I'm gonna keep working, and I'm gonna try to fix the closet probably because I need to get all this stuff in there, and then it will free up a lot of floor space. Also, I'm trying to get all of this furniture stuff in the closet because it will give me way more floor space for my like actual room, I guess. And I do have this carpet here, but I want like a really big carpet to just cover this area because it will be so comfy. Like I will literally love it so much. Sorry about the background noise, but yeah, anyways, back to the time lapse. Okay, this part is kind of crazy because I genuinely hand painted the entire like ripped out patch of wall with like literally like craft paint. With literal like acrylic paint like from like Walmart, like literally craft paint. I just repainted it. I just really wanted to get it done, and honestly it looks pretty undetectable, so I'm just gonna pretend that that was okay. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you a bit of an update on the room. I kind of did change some things off camera because kind of just forgot to record, but this is kind of going to be my final setup. I'm resetting back up my computer. As you can see, I'm like turning it back on. This mess of cords underneath there. But yes, so as for the side table, this is actually my brother's side table. I just borrowed to simulate what I'm gonna do, but I actually managed to, in the same day, find somebody on Facebook Marketplace to sell me a side table. The side table looks just like this. It's in my trunk. I'm gonna go grab it and set it up here. It's white and everything, and it was only $10 they charged me. They listed it for 15, but they're like, you only have to give 10, and it's literally like a perfectly basically new side table. So I am literally thrilled about that. Sorry, my tripod is in the way, but other than that, I have my cube shelf here right in front. It is a bit dark here because the light is kind of, you know, over here. So I'm considering getting like a light strip thingy to put like maybe on the floor here or somewhere here, just to give it a little bit more illumination, because I think when my shelves are set up, they're like, it's a mess right now, but when they're set up, it's really cute. And then over here, I'm still on the fence about if I should put that small mirror right here. I literally don't know how I feel, and also I need 2 more pictures to put there and there. But other than that, this is just going to be a little display area, and then I'm going to clean up the floor, put my new nightstand, and also fix the poster situation because it's like a mess, you know? And then I'm basically done. I finished the room kind of fast, to be honest. I also don't have an outlet cover for this, so I'm either gonna have to steal an outlet cover from some random other place in the house or just cover it up with a plush. But yeah, other than that, I don't remember if I showed my closet, but here's my closet right now. It's missing a cube thingy there, and like it looks kind of like a mess too, but I'm gonna just work on everything, probably time lapse the rest. Oh, one more thing, I also put these bunnies here, but I think it looks a little bit stupid, so I'm probably gonna move them and just put them like here maybe, like I don't know, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna bring in the new nightstand and then do my little final touches, and then that's gonna be it, and then I can do like a final little reveal. Okay, I just brought my new table upstairs. It was so cheap and it's literally such good condition. Where's the drawer? Oh, it's over here. Sorry, this recording is so ghetto, but yeah, let me just put it. I'm just gonna time lapse and finish everything else. Okay guys, so this is kind of the result I came to for my room. I was switching around a lot of things, so it was like hard to record the rest, but this is kind of like my final point. I wouldn't say like final because, you know, there's still a couple pictures missing here, and I want the back wall to be a little bit more like decorated. But this is what I have now. I'll just walk around a bit so you can kind of see everything. Also, I also have these bunnies like hanging out at the top of this. I don't know if this looks stupid, so someone tell me if this looks stupid, because if it does, I'll take it down. But other than that, yes, my desk. So yeah, this is kind of like my room, you know. Oh, and I have my little cubbies. This is kind of where my room ended off, with a little makeover part 3. I've literally, like, I keep moving around my room every second, but yes, this is where I am. And yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.